Alright, now circle all the words that says is. So guys, Avion has read and he have spelled the word, and right here he was able to trace the word, and down here he circled the word. Now he have to unjumble the word. So what letter goes first?
I.
I. So you're gonna click on letter I. Just gonna bring it down a little bit. Awesome. So now he's gonna turn it in, guys. And this is how kindergarten is looking for kindergartners that started the 2020 through 2021 year. Well, they started 2020, if you get what I'm saying. This is how kindergarten looks because the kids are not able to go to school, right, Avi? All right. What's this word?
That.
Nope. Ear.
Ear.
No. Ear. Here.
Here.
Here. So, spell it.
H-E-N-R-E.
And this spells
Here.
Now, write the word, please. All right, now you're great. Now you're going to circle the word. All of the words that says here. Yep. Just like the last activity you did. Now you're going to unjumble the word. So what letter goes first when you spell here? H. And how does the letter H sound? Great. And what's next? E. And then what's next?
R.
R. And then E. And that spells?
Here.
Here. Great. And we're turning that one in, guys. I mean, Avion be on the road, don't you?
Yeah.
You be on the road when you do your work. You do it really fast. I am impressed. Okay. Now for this one, making 10. All right. So, how many ways can you make 10? So, what's the first number when you're counting? What's the first number?
0.
0. So 0 is going to go right here.
And 1.
And next, you're going to make number 10, right? So 0 plus what is 10?
2.
10.
10.
So 0 plus 10 is 10. So what number is going to go next after 0?
1.
1. So 1 plus what's before 10?
9.
9. So that means 1 plus 9 equals
10.
10. So what's going to be the next number after 1?
2.
2. So 2 is going to go right here. And 2 plus what equals 10? What's before 9? So let's count.
10,
10,
9, 8.
8. So 8 is going to go there. So that means 2 plus 8 equals 10.
10.
Great. So now, what goes after 2? Count. If you need help, you need to count down, okay? 3. Good job. So, 3 plus what number equals 10? So what's before 8? So count down if you need help. Start with the first number. This is your first, and then you're going to count down.
9, 8, 7.
7. So that means 3 plus 7 equals
10.
10. So what's after 3?
4.
4. So you're going to 4 plus what number equals 10? Let's see if you can guess this one by yourself. 4 plus what equals 10? What number is going to go here? So it can equals 10. What number is going to go here?
I think
You need to count if you need help, but Mommy's going to let you do this one by yourself.
6.
6! You're so smart. How did you know that? How did you know that 6 goes there?
I learned.
You learned? Okay. So what's going to go here?
5.
5. You're so smart. To be 5. And what number is going to go here? I know you can do this one all by yourself.
5.
5. Awesome. So all of these is the way to make 10. Look, all of these equal 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. All of these equals 10. Great, Abby. So he did great on that one as well, guys. Give yourself a high five. You did good. Good. Okay. We're going to do one more assignment with you guys.
But we're gonna take a nap. But when we done doing some school,
We're going to look at ways to make 9. Okay? So we're going to look at the teacher's instructions first. So, on this row, she have 9 purple circles, right? And how many yellow do she have on the first one?
0.
0. So on the second row, she had 8 purple circles. And how many yellow ones did she have?
2.
1.
1.
On this row, she has 1. And on this row, she has 2. This row, she has 3. This row, she has 4. Because she's saying 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? For the yellows. And for the purple, she's saying 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. And those are all the ways that you can make 9. So on yours, you're going to use your own 2 colors that you choose. And you're going to do it the same exact way. Thank you guys for tuning in.
Bye, 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 bye.
Everyone like, share, and subscribe.
Hit that bell, guys.